manifold. If you see this line is going to our, this one, train 9. Again, demolition, which is not required here. Is the one going to that other manifold that I've shown earlier. And finally, it will go to the slack catchers.
I think slack catcher, yeah. Starting point is slack catcher, we have got 3, 4.
This the inlet manifold line, right? 24-inch, it will go to our slack catcher.
So this highlighted, what you have highlighted in green or I mean sky color. So this is a alarm, right?
These are, yes, but this is not intended for this because these are my own copy, huh?
Okay, okay, okay. So no, Scribe will do it. Scribe will do it. Okay. So this is the select catcher, right?
Yes.
Okay. So can you just a minute? I will just a minute. I will make a screening. Then I will ask you the tag number. Then you can show.
Okay.
Just a minute. I am going for data. I am going for filter. I am going for equipment. SLUG select catcher. Okay. So in select catcher we have got PSAH 020905. 020905 PAH.
Open the mic, please.
PSAH. 02.
I think I have opened.
02905.
029-20905, right? PSH.
Yes.
PSH.
Yeah.
Prakash, I have a question here, please.
Yeah.
This is for,
Prakash, Mr. Prakash.
Yeah.
I have a question here. If the
Yes.
alarm linked to safe or control function, is it really matter for the operator because the safe function has no intervention from the operation and for control function is regular action?
Yeah. Actually,
So
the definition.
are us concerned with
Yeah.
this type of alarm linked
Yeah.
to safe or control function or not?
Yeah,
Shall we
as per-
analyze or no need?
See, as per alarm definition, where you need operator response, then only that is a credible scenario. If you don't need if you don't need operator reaction, then it is prompt. It is a prompt. It is a message. So prompt
so in
for
that
prompt
case,
and
we
message.
should be
Yeah.
starting from the high alarm, right? Not the high.
Yeah, PSAH.
Because I